Is this what Trump is trying to achieve? Do we know a little, are we a little wiser as compared to where we were 10 days back? Number one, 10% universal tariffs as a revenue top up to help the domestic tax agenda. He wants to raise revenue to be able to cut taxes later. That is number one. Second, sector tariffs aimed at bringing production home. Therefore, these sector tariffs need to be higher than 10%. And these are sectors like autos, semiconductors, and so on and so forth. He's spoken about this, pharma, of course, as well. And number three, China tariffs meant to be exorbitant because pretty much everyone in the Trump administration kind of believes in this, that China has stolen jobs, manufacturing away, and here tariffs need to be much higher. And so then, I mean, if this is the case, I mean, those negotiations will be much more protracted. Can we say this is the Trump strategy with all that has happened over the last 7 or 8 days or so? Manish, that is my question. Do we have this much clarity now?
So I'll take a step back even from there.
Yeah.
That what is, in my view, Trump trying to do? There have been decades of US benevolence, looking after the whole world and therefore suffering the problems of the world, paying for other people's wars, becoming a home market for others with probably among the lowest tariffs in the world. And then over the last 15 years, they printed money like crazy to come out of whatever crisis they had. Their only weapon was printing the dollar. What that's resulted in is a completely warped current account, a completely warped fiscal deficit, and a decline of really American, how shall I say, power in the world, in military terms and so on as well. And there's been this debate for 10 years now that is the US dollar about to lose its supremacy? And everyone's been kind of pegging away at the margin to see what the alternatives can be. So what he's coming to do, I think objectively someone needed to do it. And it's high time someone got after what they're trying to do to fix the fisc, solve the debt problem, get after current account and so on. And it's very clear China and US are now the new adversaries. And the world may be heading into a all-out war at some point. Now, what form and shape this takes, it's not like the old days where you send tanks and millions of people into battle, but maybe this is the new form of warfare to keep the other guy suppressed and down. And the US has actually led this benevolence towards China after they brought them into the WTO and basically just abdicated their entire manufacturing prowess to them. And it's to China's credit that they've leapfrogged, taken the opportunity and become really the most dominant manufacturing as well as technology power in the world. I would say already equal, if not ahead of US already. So it's high time someone did this.